In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Xbox gift card. Whether you're topping up your own account or grabbing a quick gift, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can check out with confidence. First, open the official Microsoft Store gift card page. This is the safest place to buy a digital Xbox gift card, and it ensures the code you receive will work with your Microsoft account balance. Make sure you're viewing the store that matches your country or region so the currency and availability are correct. Next, choose the card value you want. Common options include amounts like 10, 25, or 50 in your local currency. Pick the value that fits what you plan to buy, whether it's a game, add-ons, or a few months of a subscription. If you're gifting, think about what the recipient might want and select a value that comfortably covers it. Add the card to your cart. Before you proceed, double-check that you've selected a digital gift card, not a physical one, and that the quantity is correct. A quick glance here helps avoid surprises later. Now, sign in to your Microsoft or Xbox account. Use the account where you want the funds to be associated. If prompted, complete any security checks. Signing in ensures the purchase is tied to the right profile and helps with delivery of your digital code. Enter your payment details. You can use a credit card, debit card, or supported online payment method. Make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file and confirm you're on a secure, trusted network. If you've saved a payment method before, you can select it to speed things up. Confirm the purchase by clicking Buy or Checkout. Review your order summary carefully. The card value, currency, quantity, and any applicable taxes. It's also a good moment to verify you're still on the correct regional store. When everything looks right, complete the purchase. Finally, receive the code. The digital code will be sent to the email address associated with your Microsoft account. Delivery is often instant, but it can take a few minutes. Check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the code also appears on the confirmation screen. Feel free to save a screenshot. Keep the code private and store the email safely. If it's a gift, you can forward the message or share the code securely with the recipient. That's it. You've successfully bought an Xbox gift card quickly and safely.